Hi, how are you? We are going to write today about what we read yesterday, which was the slime book. And this paper is how to. So we are going to write how to make slime. Do you remember how to make slime? Let's think about that. What do we need for slime? I'm going to put slime up here. How to make slime. First, what do we need? First, we need some water and a bowl. Oh, we is a sight word. Do you remember how to write it? W-E, good. We need water, water, and is a sight word. Do you remember how to spell it? A-N-D, good. A-N-D, water and a bowl. Next, we're going to add cornstarch, a little at a time. Add cornstarch. Corn, corn, arch. What two friends say? CH, good. A little, little is a sight word. Do you remember how to spell it? L-I-T-T-L-E. A little at, another sight word. Do you remember? At, yeah, A-T. At a time. We end our sentence with a period. Good. Then we are going to mix it. Mix it. And then what are we going to do after that? Yeah, we get to play with it. Last, we are going to, let's see, we will, what, oh. Now it's got the floss rule for the end. Oh, yeah, so we need two L's. What, oh, play. P-L-A-Y, that's a red word. With, oh no, there's another red word. It, and a red word. Man, lots of red words today, don't we? Good. So we have our steps on what we need to make slime and play with it. So if you have any cornstarch and water in a bowl, you can do this also. All right. So I want you to make pictures in every one of those. If you want to change um, what we say, that is fine too. But this is how to. We need to make sure we're doing each step at a time to make slime or make anything that we do. All right, I'll talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye.